I'm going to go over some of the structures of the sheep heart here, just to be able to orient yourself. If you're looking at the external part of the heart, if you see this diagonal line going across here, this is the coronary artery. And this would be the right side of the heart, and this would be the left side of the heart. And the other way that you can tell is that the left side is a lot tougher than the right side. This is the side that's going to be pumping blood to the body, and this is the side that's going to be receiving blood from the body, so it doesn't actually have to pump as much. It does pump blood, this ventricle pumps blood, but it's not going very far. It's only going to the lungs. So we're going to open this up. So this is the heart that's been cut into two. And let's focus on this side here. Now, one way to be able to tell, if we're looking at the inside of the heart, the left side from the right side, is if we look at this muscle wall versus this muscle wall here. Now, remember I told you that the left side of the heart pumps blood to the entire body, so it's going to be much stronger. And this is going to be the left side of the heart, and this is going to be the right side of the heart. This over here is the right atrium. This is the right ventricle. This here is the left atrium, and over here is the left ventricle. This structure that divides the right side from the left side is called the septum. And what you see here, these very tough tendons here, these are very, very tough. These are called caudae tendineae, and they're connected to these valves. There are two valves, actually four valves in the heart, but these two separate the atrium from the ventricle. The one on the right is called the right atrioventricular valve or the tricuspid valve. The one on the left is called the bicuspid valve or the left atrioventricular valve here. And they ensure that blood only flows in one direction. So let's see what happens here. The blood enters through the right atrium. Deoxygenated blood comes in from the superior and the inferior vena cava and enters the heart at the right side in the right atrium. Then it goes through the right atrioventricular valve, the bicuspid valve, into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle, the blood is then pumped out through the coronary, From here, the blood is then pumped out through the